Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're looking inside. What do you think it is? Ice. And now it's time to rice. Not like the rice you eat, like rise up. And it's rising up. Rising up. Oh. And look at that, perfectly bald. And after this, I'll eat it. Eat ice. I can rise up. Oh, too far. Don't too far. Don't far. You're very fragile. Too far. No, please. You're too far. Oh.